Hey Beauty Glam Sisters, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and hello to the new Beauty Glam Sisters, welcome to my channel. My name is Danny MUA, and today I'm going to do a challenge video for you guys. And it's going to be me doing my face with long length kiss nails. I just know they're long nails, so this is the challenge I'm going to do today for you guys. A good challenge for me because I've never worn these before. This will be the first time I do my full face using this. Challenge accepted. Here we go. Let's open this bad boy up. And with that challenge, I'm also going to use the Morphe 24G Grand Glam to do a look using the long nails. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start off by looking for the size of my nails in this little package. So let's start.
1 hour later.
Alright, so I got 3 on so far. This one's crooked, but we'll make it work. Feels weird. And it hurts. And I tried to take it off so I could fix it, but it won't come off. So I'm going to have to use some acetone to take these off. Alright, let's continue.
Eventually.
Alrighty, they're all on. They hurt. They really hurt. My fingers are sore from this. I can't even grab anything. It was hard to do this hand. It was easy to do this hand because I had this one free. But after this hand was full and then this hand was full, I was trying to grab the nails and it's like not working. Alright. First off, I'm going to start off by priming my face with my Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. And I'm going to use a beauty blender. I don't think I could use my hand to prime. So I'm going to use my Real Technique sponge. Oh my god, this is freaking hard. Holy snap. I put 1 pump. Okay, yeah, this is hard. 2 pumps. Oh, that hurts. Okay, how am I gonna... Yeah, doing this hurts. And it's poking my face with these nails. I don't know if I could do it another way. Ouch. Yeah, let me see if I can do something else. This really hurt a lot. Like, I'm not even playing, it hurts. I give it up for you girls that do nails. Right, I think I'm gonna have to use the back of my finger. See if that works to blend it out. Oh my god, I feel sorry for girls that do this on a daily with long nails. Okay. And I'm also going to use the Shine Killer from NYX Cosmetics. Oh god. Let's see if I can do it. I'm going to put it in the back of my palm. Oh my god, if I close this, there it goes. Alright, so put some shine killer there because I'm shiny right there. My nose, I'm shiny too. I'll poke my eye already. See, ouch, that epic fail. My eye is burning because I poked it. Oh my god, this would be hard. Oh, let's see. Ow! 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 I scratched my face. Ow! That hurt. Scratched it right there. Oh, you can see it right there. You see it? Ouch. Okay. Since I already did that, I'm also gonna... I like to use some Fix Plus. I have a little bit left, but I have the bigger one on that side, so let's see. To prep my face as well. Alright, and I'm gonna go in with my MAC Mineralized Moisturized SPF 15 foundation in the shade NC45. All you do is that, and I think I'm gonna use brushes because it ain't gonna happen with these nails. So let's see if I can do a pump. 1, 2. I'll do 2 pumps for right now. Oh god, ow. Oh god, okay, like that. I'm just gonna put it all over my face. Ow. Dang, how do you do this? Let's see. I use my thumb. It hurts though. And I'm using the Y6 from Morphe. Oh, I got some on the nail. Girls, I give it up to you because I'm trying to push this and it's freaking hurting. Oh my Jesus. Just on the sides of the nose right there. Okay, now that I have all my foundation on. I'm gonna go in with my concealer, which is the Maybelline in number 2 Sand Sable. And I'm gonna do a little line here, a line here, right here, here, the bridge of the nose, well, the T-zone, go down, and then a little upside down T. And then I'm gonna try to use my Morphe sponge without poking my eye out. And I just put a little bit of concealer because if you put a lot, it's too much and it's gonna drag anyway. Ow. See, I already poked my eye out, or the side of my face. This is too complicated for me. I'm scared of poking my eye out. I'm freaking scared. Now right here. I think I'm blended. Well, the fingernails have stuff on it, well, foundation on it. Right, so I'm gonna lock that before I crease, and I'm gonna use my Too Faced. If I could open it. There it goes. And I'm just gonna put some on the lid. Try to open this. Ow! Ow! Okay, I can't open this. Legit, I cannot. Oh, there it goes. That really hurt my finger the first time. And I'm gonna grab my Real Technique sponge, press it in, so I won't crease. Then I'll set my whole face right there after I'm done with this. God, how am I gonna do the tip of the nose with this? Okay. Somewhat set. I'm gonna grab my, if I can. Okay, I'm gonna grab my Morphe E14 and I'm gonna set the whole face with a little bit of powder. Not too much, just a tad. Ooh, but. I think the whole face is set. Set the neck too, ears, everything. Okay, now that I did that, I'm gonna go grab my Morphe contour kit and I'll be back.